Hi and welcome. I'm Kathy Resnicek and I'll be your facilitator for the Developing Digital Literacies course. In this course, we're going to be looking at how you, as an educator, can develop digital literacies in your students, as well as enhance the ones you have for yourself. Our primary text for this course is going to be Developing Digital Literacies by Dustin Summey. He outlines a variety of different ways that we can think about digital literacy, especially in the context of our K-12 education. One of the nice things about this book is that he outlines each section and then provides opportunity for us to explore some more learning. So this will be our foundation. We're going to explore a lot of other resources that are out there, but let's take a look at the book we're going to be using. So here is a website that goes along with the book, which is really nice. And you can see that there's an outline, and it talks about how digital literacies are essential for managing and working with information and communication in this 21st century. We're overloaded with the amount of information that's coming in. So in order to be literate, in the 21st century, it's not just enough to read and write, but we need to be able to manage all that digital information. Each section is developed into different kind of core digital literacies that we're going to be looking at. So the first one is on locating and filtering. And this one really focuses on how do we seek out good information. It's not just enough to put in a couple of terms or to type in a whole sentence into Google and think that that's going to get us the information that we need. So we'll be learning a lot more about one, maximizing Google, but also using other tools besides Google. The second area is on sharing and collaborating. This is a really important section because as we build digital literacy, part of that literacy has to do with communication and collaboration. Without being able to communicate and collaborate in a digital media, we're kind of stuck and isolated. After that comes organizing and curating. I know I can always use some more organization skills, but curating is a really interesting topic because that's looking at ways that we can take the information that we find and the information we get through sharing and collaboration and how we can build that into a useful tool or a useful suite of tools or information or websites in order to tell a story or to organize those around topics or ideas, ways to kind of help manage all that information and make sense out of it. After that comes creating and generating. That is a lot of fun because the creation part, you're adding to that information, but hopefully we're adding substance and not just noise, as they say on the internet. And then finally, we're going to look at reusing and repurposing. Since there's great stuff out there, and we're going to be learning how to find it, organize it, put it together, let's figure out how to reuse it for excellent purposes. So looking forward to working with you guys this semester, and I hope that you're ready to jump in and develop your digital literacy.